Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Khona umbuzo lana ukuthi sengaxoxa yini about what makes people not to finish what they've started. What makes that? Can we maybe just talk about it one day ukuthi what is it that makes people ukuthi not to finish what they've started? What makes people not to you know these people that you need to put that proposal, you keep on saying nah, I'll do it. There's a project that you want to finish, you know what is very important for you to finish that project, you keep on saying you'll do it. You want to lose weight, you keep on saying I'll go to the gym, I will eat healthy from tomorrow. You always say I'll start tomorrow, I'll start in an hour. You have that important call that you need to make. No, I'll call them tomorrow. I'll call and make arrangements as they said. What is it? Do you know what is it that makes people not to do what they've promised themselves? And not that they forget, they know ukuthi yini ekufanele ukuthi bayenze kodwa they keep on saying yeah, I'll do it. You want to go back to school, yeah, I'll do it. Now I will do it. And you know what you need to change your diet, your skin. It looks very scary. Your skin, it's not nice. You know what makes your skin to be how it is. But you are not doing anything. You are not. You just keep on saying I'll do it tomorrow, I'll start next week, I'll start next year. Yes, next year it's my year. 2026 I'm going to make things to happen. It's gonna be my pick six is gonna be my year. Next year I want to do this, next year I want to build, next year I want to do this. But next year March, we have achieved nothing that we've planned for all the other years, including what we've planned for that present year, which is 2026 next year. Why is that? Why is that? Have we ever asked ourselves, why am I finding myself not to finish what I've started, not to do what I need to do? Why is that? Have you ever invested in yourself in asking relevant question, why? You let me know if you want to know ukuthi kwenziwa